Good morning, children. Welcome to online class in your Sparrow semester book 7 for UKG class, children. Now, today I am taking mathematics subject, children. Already we are finished in mathematics subject, children. Revision numbers 1 to 50 and comparison of numbers 51 to 100, numbers 1 to 100, numbers 100 to 1. Backward numbers, this is, and missing numbers, between, after and before numbers, and number names 1 to 100, skip counting. And today let's begin greater than and less than, page number 75 to 79. Open the page number 75, children. Here is a given heading, greater than and less than. Greater than means what, children? Here is a two groups are there which has a more things, that is a greater than, which has a less things, that is a less than. Okay, children, here is a given work for you. Greater than, take right mark the circle which has a more insects. Here is a two groups are there, children. Here is a one group, here is a second group. This is the first group. In a first group, children, how many insects are there? You have to count it, 1 and 2. And second group, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 means here is a more. This second group has a more insects. So this is the greater than. You have to put a tick mark on the which has a more insect. Okay, children. Second one also same like that, children. Take right mark the circle which has a more flowers. Here is a flowers things are there. So you have to count, and same thing you have to count, and you have to put the which is a greater than. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here is a first group, 6. In a first circle 6 flowers are there. In second circle 1 and 2 only. You have to, this one is a more object or a more flowers. You have to put a right mark on the greater than. Okay, next is the second exercise, children. Count the object and write their number in the box, then tick right mark which is a more. Here is the given many things are there. In a in this circle fishes are there. Here is also there. Then second one is cars are given. You have to first what, here is the count and write in a box number. This is also count it and write in the box number. Then you have to identify the which group has a more object and greater than. You have to after put the right mark on the box. Okay, children. Here is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Here write the number 1 to 12. 12 things are there in a box. Okay, children. Next 1 2 3 4 5. Only 5. Okay, here is a more object are there. So this one group is a greater than, this group less than. Okay, next, how many cars are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, children, write the number in the box. 1 0 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Only 4 cars are there. Second group. You have to, this group is a greater than this group. Okay, children, you have to put the right mark on the first group. Okay, turn the page number 76. Here is a what given, children? Less than. We are finished page number 75. First you have to know the greater than. What means greater than? Now next page number 76 is a given less than, children. Okay, less than means, see here, tick right mark the circle which has less cake. Here is a given two circle. You have to again, here is a count the things and you have to put the which is the less than. Here is a first circle, 1 2 3 4 5 cakes are there. Okay, here is only second circle, only one cake, means this is the less than, not a greater than. Okay, this is the less than. You have to put one a right mark in the second circle. Okay, next, tick right mark the set which has less pencils. Okay, less means what, children? Here you have to count the pencil. Which group has a less pencils has. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here is a 11 pencil, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Here is the 11 pencils. Here is a 22. So, this is the greater than. This one is a less than. You have to put right mark on the this group. Okay, children. Next exercise, count the object and write their number in the box. Then take right mark which is a less. Okay, here is also two groups are there or two circle are given. Here is a count the object first. You have to write in the box number. Then you have to identify the which one is a less and which one is a greater than. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pins are there. You have to write the 5 number in the box. Okay, like that. Next group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins are there. So you have to write the number 7 in the box. Okay, 7 here is a 7. Here is a 5. This one is a less than. You have to put right mark on the this box. Okay, children. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 objects are there. You have to write 8 number in the box. And second one, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 objects are there. Okay, children. This is the 8. This is the 3. So, this one group is a less than. Okay, children. Like that, you have to put then mark. Okay, next page number 77. Page number 77. Greater than and less than. Same things, children. We are using sign also. Greater than sign is a like that and less than sign is a like that. Okay, here is a given many examples, children. Now we are learn. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons are there. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balloons are there. You have to. This one is a greater than. This one is a less than. You have to put the where is a more object. You have to put this one sign. Okay, children. Greater than to this one is a less than. Okay, children. Now here is a given 4 balloons are less than 9 balloons. Okay, these 4 balloons less than the 9 balloons. We write it has 4 in a number. We have to like that. Okay, in picture we have to here is we have to mention like that, and number we also like that. We have to write in a write it has. Okay, here is a 4 balloons. Here is a 9 balloons. Like that same here is a in a writing given, children. Okay, read this one carefully, children. Then next is a greater than. Here is also same thing. Next example, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is a more object? You have to put this one sign. Okay, here is a more now. Then you have to put like that sign. Okay, children. Here is a less than. You have to. This one mark is a given. Where is the less object? Okay, where is the more object? Here this one part is a coming like that. Okay. Next here is a given in a number 6 fishes are greater than 6 fishes are sorry. Here is a 8 fishes. Here is a missing numbers are given, children. Here is a spelling is missing. Now to write the 8. Okay. 8 fishes are greater than 4 fishes. We write it as 8 greater than 4. Okay, children. We have to. Here is a something is wrong, children. You have to. This one 6 is given. You have to cut it this 6 and write the spelling of 8. EIGHT 8. Fishes are greater than 8. Fishes are greater than 4 fishes. Okay. And we write it as now he like that we have to write in a numbers. We have to like that this is a in a object or a things. Okay, next page number 70, page number 78, children. Okay, here is a given. Look at that given illustration carefully, children. Okay, look at the given illustration carefully. Here is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, children. What here is a mention, children? The pointed side is a 4. Okay, the smaller number. This pointed, here we have to putting the where is the smaller number, and the open side is for the bigger number. This is the open side, children. We have to, this one is the open side, means where is the bigger number is there, that side we have to putting the open side. Okay, we have to, where is the smaller number, we have to pointed side is a, we have to keeping. Okay, children. Next is write greater than or smaller than, less than in the boxes. Okay, children. You have to count. Here is also number is given, children, 3 and 8. Here is a 8 is a greater number. You have to putting the open side. Okay, this is the open side, this is the point side. Okay, we have to putting like that sign. Okay, next is a 6 and 5. 6 is a greater the number 5. So we have to open side here like that. Okay. Next is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kites and 5 kites. This 5 number is a greater than 5. So we write like that. It has, okay, children. Here is a 9 balls and 6 balls. You have to putting the 9 is a greater than, you have to 6 the less than. We have to putting the, here is a given, children. The pointed side is for the smaller number. The pointed means this one pointed is a, we have to side the smaller number. Okay, we have to, the open side is for the bigger number, open side. Okay, this is the open side, we have to put the bigger number. Okay, children, thank you.